Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Pinterest widget on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just go down, then you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here in this window. Then you just click here on Pinterest, and it's going to take you to app info window, and you just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK, then it just go down. You click here on storage, then you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Now I wish now you I get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.